Hi kindergarten boys and girls, it's time for Counting Numbers video for kids. In this video, you will learn how to write numbers, how to count numbers, and how to identify numbers. Parent, guardian, please subscribe to this channel and allow your kindergarten preschool kids to watch our numbers video for kids and to participate in our numbers education activities. Now we will get our markers or our crayons or paintbrush, and we'll get a piece of paper and we will be writing our numbers. Let's use the red marker and we will write number 1. Number 1. That's the number 1. Which number comes after number 2? Which number comes after number 1? Number 2. Let's use our blue color, our dark blue color, and we will write the number 2. The number 2. Number 2. What number comes after number 2? The number 3. Let's use our yellow marker, and we will write the number 3. Number 3. Can you tell me which number comes after the number 3? The number 4. Let's use our black marker and we will do the number 4. Number 4. After the number 4, we have the number 5. We will use our light green marker and we will write the number 5. You're watching Numbers for Kids. Kids counting numbers. Number 5. Which number comes after the number 5? Can you tell me? The number 6, of course. Number 6. Let's use our pink marker to do the number 6. Number 6. Kids learning to write numbers. Number 6. What number comes after the number 6? Can you guess? The number 7. Let's use our brown marker to write the number 7. Number 7. After the number 7 comes the number 8. Let's use our sky blue color to write the number 8. Okay, we need a darker color for that. We will use a much darker color. A dark blue color to do the number 8. Number 8. We're having fun writing our numbers. After the number 8, we have the number 9. And we will use a light brown color for our number 9. Number 9. After number 9 comes number 10. We have number 10 after number 9. Let's use our orange color for the number 10. A 1 and a 0 goes together to make the number 10. Number 10. After the number 10, we have the number 11, and we'll use a red color for the number 11. Number 11. We'll use a black color to do the number 12. After number 11, we have number 12. Can you tell me which number comes after number 12? Number 13. Let's use our purple color for number 13. Number 13. After number 13, we have number 14. Let's use our yellow color for number 14. Number 14. We have one more number. Which number comes after number 14? Can you guess? The number 15. Let's use a green color for the number 15. Number 15. We have write our numbers. Now let's count the numbers that we have written. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11, number 12, number 13, number 14, and number 15. You guys are awesome. Number 1, number 2, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, and number 10. You guys are just awesome. Now let's identify some numbers. This is the number 2. This is the number 5. This is the number 8. This is the number 3. This is the number 6. This is the number 9. This is the number 7. This is the number 10. This is the number 3. This is the number 1. Now let's count down from number 10 to number 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You guys are awesome. Please support our channel by subscribing and sharing our videos. You'll help us to continue making more kindergarten kids education video for kids that will educate your preschool kids and many others. So click on that subscribe button. Let's make a positive impact in the lives of kids worldwide. Thank you for your support.